Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I grow my nails. I have received a lot of requests about this. Before we get into this video, I want to introduce you guys to my clothing line. I introduced it in the last video, but I'm going to introduce it again in this video. My clothing line, Helen J Collections, we are having a 48-hour flash sale for my grand opening. My clothing line is now open to the general public starting today until tomorrow at 11:59. So definitely get your shop on. You will save 25% off. It's automatically applied at checkout. So definitely shop your Black Pride gear. Get your satin lined hoodies to protect your hair. Back to the video. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys how I do it. It's really simple, really quick. First, I'm gonna start off by removing the old acrylic dip powder set. I'll show you guys how I apply the new dip powder acrylic. This is what my bare nails look like. I did break 3 nails and I do have a video coming out in a couple of days on how I repair my nails without super glue and without acrylics. And the system that I'm using today is the OKURR Sky system. You guys probably have heard of this. This is a really popular brand. A lot of professionals use it in their salons. And today I'm going to be using the clear and natural dip powders. And I'm going to be using the Bond, Base, and Seal Protect. This is what you will need to actually harden your nails. And I'm going to use my nail drill to get off any excess product that I don't want that's leaving my nails looking a bit unshapely. And after I go ahead and shape my nails off the camera, I will start on the dipping process. So first I take my Bond and I apply it. It's a really thin solution, so I apply it. This just dehydrates my nails. It's like putting alcohol directly onto your nails. It's just going to be a dehydrator. It helps for the dip powder to adhere to your nails. And I cap everything that I'm doing. And if you guys hear any extra noise in the background, that's my fan going. It is really hot in California right now, so don't mind that. Next, I'm going to use my base. This is what will actually help for the powder to adhere to my nails. So I am going to apply this, but you have to apply this very carefully because if you get this on your skin and you go to dip your nails in the powder, that powder will adhere to your skin as well. That'll just cause lifting. Your nails won't last as long. So you will have to be very careful with applying this solution. And guys, I've been using this for almost a year now and it's grown my nails really long. As you guys have seen in my previous videos, my nails grow really long, and this is really the reason why my nails grow so long is because I use this. And this is definitely not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own hard-earned money and I use this regularly. I do this process about every 2 weeks, and then I go ahead and dip my fingers into the powder, and then I just go ahead and build on top of that. So usually I do about 2 to 3 layers to make sure my nails are hardened, but at the same time they're thin enough and they're not looking too like thick and fake, because these are my natural nails and I want them to look natural. And then I just go ahead and dust off that extra powder before using my Seal Protect. That Seal Protect helps for the powder to activate. So it's basically an activator. Without this, my nails will be ruined, period. Like, it would be all for nothing. So use the Seal Protect to actually activate the powder, and it will feel as though you have acrylic on your nails. You would feel like you just went to the salon and they put acrylic on your nails. And this process takes me about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. I'm getting quicker with it, so I'm trying to get it down to 30 minutes. A lot of times I wear it natural, and that's why I use the clear or the natural dip powders, because I like to wear my nails natural a lot of times. And then sometimes I'll just go ahead and apply some nail polish. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil because you need your cuticles to be hydrated. You don't want them to look dry, and then that also aids in lifting. We don't want that. That's not cute. And you work too hard for your nails to already be lifting. And this is how my nails look. That's it. That's my whole entire process. That's how I grew my nails out so long. I hope this video helps you guys. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. Do subscribe and join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Turn the music up. It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up 1 time.